Hello everybody, welcome back to 366 Days of Hope. My name is Pearl and I'm here to share our next topic, which is sunlight therapy. So I have told you guys earlier this past week about how I was kind of doing the onion poultice, and because I was dealing with a cough, I also took natural antibiotics, and I'm also doing sun therapy. And sun therapy is phenomenal. I couldn't believe how effective it was. Now, if any of you guys know Dr. Kellogg and any of his past sanitariums or researched a little bit into it, you'll know that he used sun therapy a lot in healing illnesses, and also he would have people walk on the grass and do grounding. That's what we call it in modern day terms, but basically that was to help the body get I guess the balance of the electrons in our body and getting the blood to flow. And so I decided to do both one day as kind of an experiment to see if it would work. And so far I've been doing sun therapy like almost every single day. And every single time I just lay out in the sun for about 20 minutes. Now, depending obviously on your skin, that's gonna be varied, but I would say starting out small, even if it's just 2 minutes in the sun, and then progress until your body kind of handles it. That's a way of progression, right? So I ended up doing it. I was having a lot of nasal things like allergies and things like that. And like I said, I've done onion poultice, I've done, and that really helped. And I don't really feel like I need that anymore, but I still get a little bit of these allergies. But when I sat in the sun and just kind of soaked it in, and I wore like a tank top, so that way the more exposure of your skin, the better. Now, Kellogg would basically have the men be shirtless, and they would just wear these cotton shorts, and so that really helped get as much exposure of the sun, and you get your vitamin D, but also the sun is a natural and antibacterial, meaning that it kills bacteria. So on your skin, I have definitely felt so much better, and I didn't have any coughing or sinus pressure after I did the therapy. So I've been doing it for a while, but today it wasn't as sunny as I was hoping, even though right now it's sunny. But earlier when I was doing it, there wasn't as much sun, so it was a little bit harder because it's pretty cloudy. But if you can get direct sun until when you close your eyes and you see that red, so you get also infrared treatment, which is natural and it doesn't cost you anything. But I've seen, where they have the light therapy and they'll use, infrared light to try and deal with it. But this time you can go outside, sit in the sun for a couple of minutes, and help that, reduce whatever symptoms you may have. Personally, for me, it works, and I've been doing it every single day, and usually after 20 minutes or so, I'm good to go, and I don't have any major symptoms. I didn't get to sit in it as long as I would have liked this time. Like I said, it wasn't as sunny as it is right now, or maybe it's because I'm on a different side of town, and that always happens, right, with microclimates. But either way, this is another way that you could use a healthy remedy that doesn't cost you anything to try and help your body recover. Like I said, I'm not a doctor, I'm a personal trainer, but I definitely encourage a lot of natural remedies, and this is something that's worked for me. I'm not saying it's gonna work for everybody, but hey, this is a natural way of doing it. So if you're in the realm of, naturopathy, this is something that you guys can definitely try and see if it helps you. And make sure, obviously, to do things right. Make sure you take, if your symptoms are a lot worse, clearly take medication, and also go see your physician if you need to. With that said, guys, may you live, thrive, and be healthy, and stay shining. Bye.